Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about what I see as the future of working from home. I think a lot of companies are expanding and they're going to be offering positions that are short term and some long term that are based on the idea of working from home. Specifically, what I see big growth in right now are people in web development. Coding is a huge market for that. There's a huge market for design, graphic design, website design, as well as blog writing and video creation, video editing. So very tech field based is where I see the bulk of online work. Now, I'm referring, of course, here to freelance work. You can do what I do, like customer service or collections. You can do phone sales. You can do those things from home. But when I look at the growth of different fields of work, and those that are specifically I see more geared toward work from home right now, these are the things that I see growing the quickest. These are the fields that I recommend people going into. People who are doing coding or design are in the six-figure salary range for a freelancer. I see people who are starting businesses and they need a short-time web developer. Well, they hire that web developer as a freelancer and they're making, $10,000 a job. I see design specialists that are making $200 an hour off of logo or website design. So I wanted to do just a quick note on what I see as the biggest, fastest growing fields in the work from home environment. And while there are some others who have potential, right now, things such as web design, coding, and logos is huge. If you have the opportunity to take classes in one of these things, I fully recommend it. If you have questions or concerns, or if you have looked into doing some of these, comment below. I would love to have a conversation with you, and we will have more coming very soon on more work from home things, work from home jobs, and how to prepare your resume on Upwork to get you your next gig. Bye, guys.